Hey Travel Besties, welcome back, or if you're new, welcome to Celeste Travels. Today is all about things to do in Nassau Bahamas on your port day. I've been here plenty of times, but I never get tired of it. The turquoise water, the food, the culture, it always reminds me of coming here with my mom as a kid. And if this is your first time in Nassau, this video is perfect for you. We'll take a water taxi to Atlantis, check out the Queen's Staircase, walk through the fish fry, and get a quick look at Junkanoo Beach. But first, let's soak in this beautiful Nassau sunrise. When you're cruising here, make sure you're up early. You don't want to miss this view.
American minutes. Bahamas time, that may take 20 minutes. But yeah. The casino. Good luck. I see it.
We've made it over to Atlantis. Just a heads up, without a day pass, you can only access the casino and the shops here. If you're planning to spend the whole day at Atlantis, I definitely recommend looking into a day pass or checking out the excursions available during your sailing.
Queens, there must be kings, and I see we have the princess and the prince stores here also. Welcome. Now I'm going to give you some history, let you know what this is you're looking at, okay? Now everything in the islands moves slow. If you check your internet, even that slowed down. The only thing move fast around here, the cars and some people mouths. So give you some history, let you know what this is you're looking at. Now, what you're looking at, don't worry about that sign, that's not for you.
Okay.
What you're looking at is not an act of nature. It took 600 women, men, and children working 18 hours a day, 16 years to hand carve this out. It's 90 foot deep, 150 feet long, and 50 feet wide. Using no dynamites, no explosives, just a cold chisel and a hammer. All of this started in Virginia, Remington, Virginia, a very historical British territory in America. Lord Dunmore was an ex-governor, a slave master. He made the British felt that the French and Napoleon was going to attack the Bahamas. So the British funded him to build the forts. It's not a correctional facility, it's a bathroom. To build the forts. But instead, he went into West Africa, mainly Ghana, taking 600 women, men, and children, enslaving them and bringing them here and forcing them to hand carve this out, taking everything to the top to build the forts. If you look at the forts, they look like old steamroller ships. The reason being why, imagine, in the 1700s there was nothing out here. And if you are passing by boat and you saw those forts, let's stop right here for a minute. If you look, come to one side, I want to show you something. If you look here on the wall, you can see the chisel mark on the wall. Those are the original chisel marks on the wall. The nails are here because they used to have souvenir stores here. Now they moved them to the top. If you look on the next side of the wall, that tree there is over 100 years old. It goes from the top coming down, finds its way to the dirt. It's called a banyan tree. Now, in case of the garden, the family will go into the governor's mansion, coming through a tunnel that will bring them here to Fort Castle, coming through the fort, coming out to that frame down there on the wall. She knew what her uncle would have wanted. So in the year 1838, on the 2nd of August, on her 18th birthday, she abolished slavery in all British territory. Stop going to manipulate this. Now the slaves didn't want to come back into this. Not because they didn't appreciate her, but because many of those women, men, and children never made it out. And each time a slave would die, they'd take a piece of flowers or tree leaf and put it in these niches to the bottom to decorate the canyon in memory of those that have passed away. Now the descendants appreciating her for her kindness and what she would have done within 1 year, they wanted to do something special. They didn't just want to put up a statue like the one in Parliament Square for her kindness. They wanted to do something that nature could not destroy. So in the year 1901, when Queen Victoria died, those same descendants of the slave came back into this canyon, knowing that you carve stairs from the top coming down, but no, they wanted to carve these stairs from the bottom going up. When they reached the 64, they realized that they couldn't get out of the canyon because they got hey, let's come to one side, because they got mathematically challenged with the average. So they said, don't worry, be happy, and added 2 more stairs, making it 66, so they could walk themselves out of the depths of slavery back out into freedom. That's how this got the name, the Queen's Staircase. Each stairs represents the year that Queen Victoria ruled, except for the additional 2. Making a man-made waterfall on the left-hand side, naming it Thundrum, meaning freedom at last. Paving the floor, making it 65 if you count it. Okay, folks?
Next up, we're heading over to the Fish Fry. This is the spot to try local Bahamian food, comforters, fried snapper, and of course, a local cold drink to wash it all down. It's a whole strip of colorful restaurants and food stalls, and walking through here really gives you that authentic island feel. To try conch when you're in the Bahamas, it's the national dish. And here at the Fish Fry, you can get fresh conch salad made right in front of you with all the lime, peppers, and island flavor that your heart desires. Would you try conch salad while you're in the Bahamas? Let me know, yes or no, in the comments below. If you're looking for a public beach near the port, Junkanoo Beach is just a short walk away. Even if it's just for a few hours, I highly recommend getting off the ship during your Nassau port day. Stretch your legs, explore the port, and soak in the sun, the sights, and the local vibes. It's a perfect way to enjoy a day in Nassau. Thank you for watching. Until next time, like and subscribe for more vacay vibes.